Cardio before working out with weights or before weightlifting session, or cardio after weightlifting session. Now let me share my extensive experience in terms of what is the best choice. When you are exercising, especially weightlifting, your body depends mainly on glycogen, which is the stored form of sugar within your muscles. So if you're doing cardio, let's say for 30 minutes or 45 minutes, your body is going to be depleting that energy from your muscles. You're going to have a reduction in the glycogen stores, which will impact the quality of your lifting session. If you do cardio before weightlifting, and I'm not referring to 5 minutes warm-up cardio, I'm referring to 30-45 minutes of quite steady state or HIT for 20 minutes, high intensity interval training before weightlifting. Once you do this, you could try it out by yourself and you can see the effect. Once you transition to weightlifting, you would notice that you're not able to pick up the same weights as you used to be able to, or you're going to get tired quite too quickly. And that's quite natural because you have depleted the glycogen stores inside your muscles. The better alternative is, based on my experience, is once you are done with exercising, you're going to be doing 20 to 30 minutes of cardio. It could be intense, it could be intervals where you go for jogging, then you walk, then you jog, or 20 minutes of intensive cardio session or steady state cardio. We're going to talk about all of these details in later videos, so make sure that you subscribe and join our community. What you will be doing in this case, once you've depleted the glycogen levels, the sugar stored in your muscles, your body at this current point is releasing fatty acids. You're tapping into the body fat, the stored body fat. But here's a very important tip, which is often not talked about. Releasing body fat is quite different than burning body fat. So once you're releasing body fat, fatty acids from your adipose tissues, which are like pockets inside your body that hold body fat, once you release those fatty acids in the bloodstream, if they don't get burnt off in the presence of oxygen, they are going to be settling down elsewhere. So if you got fat on your arms, it will move to your neck, to your shoulders, and yes, it happens. So to utilize those fatty acids and burn them off, you're going to be doing cardio after working out, which is often a tactic that you could use to help you lose body fat in a systematic fashion. You have weightlifting, you exercise for 45 minutes to an hour, then you do cardio for 20 minutes to 25 or 30 minutes. This is a great recipe to help you get quality weightlifting sessions in addition to fat torching effects through the combination of cardio. Now you could apply this tactic to your own weightlifting program, which is very powerful in terms of weight loss, fat loss, increasing your weightlifting capabilities and muscle building abilities. Keeping in mind that cardio, it's often frowned upon to be using cardio in addition to weightlifting, but based on my experience, it really helps. Cardio increases your heart rate, which increases the intake of oxygen. So if you breathe oxygen more, your brain is better. You're sharper, you're more focused, your mood is elevated, in addition to the enhanced recovery. You will be able to recover better from the weightlifting sessions as a result of the extra oxygen intake that you have been absorbing within your cardio sessions. So keeping that in mind, these are very quite helpful tips which will surely transform your fat loss effort, your weight loss effort, your fitness goals. So make sure that you join our global community, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.